Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have the proper license and a linked account, then sign in so settings roam. Once signed in, install the Office apps or open the web apps to avoid setup delays. Make sure to enable multi-factor authentication and add a recovery email for security. Finally, enable OneDrive sync and choose a local folder. This keeps files backed up automatically and ready across devices, which saves time and prevents version chaos as you proceed. Once your apps and OneDrive are active, streamline the interface so you work faster. You should customize quick access and the ribbon in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to keep favorite tools visible. Use OneDrive shared links and file versioning to collaborate without duplicate copies, and enable auto-save so edits persist instantly. Also, set default save locations and templates. This reduces friction. When you do these steps, collaboration flow improves and repetitive clicks disappear, freeing you to focus on content. You finish by organizing collaboration and automating routine tasks. Create Teams channels for projects, add Planner or To-Do for responsibility tracking, and structure folders in SharePoint or OneDrive with clear naming. Then build simple Power Automate flows to handle repetitive actions like saving attachments or notifying teammates. If something goes wrong, check OneDrive sync status and error messages, pause and resume sync, or sign out and back in. This quick troubleshooting step resolves most issues and gets you back to productive work fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.